again, it's Angela. Today is June 21st and I've decided to get my life together today. I'm going to load up the kiln with a new experiment I'm working on. A mosaic tile for like a shower floor with a heart in the middle, a grout line, and then a square around that, and then there would be a grout line there as well. Here's the sketch. There was a quote that I learned that was, "Success loves speed." Since I've heard that, I have done so many experiments really quickly. I can say that that quote is 100% correct. Success truly does appreciate speed. Let me show you what we're going to be putting into the kiln before I put it in. This is the outer piece. Do I have to do this like a makeup tutorial? This is an example of the middle piece. They fit in like this. It didn't break, that's good. Here is a picture of the 3D print that I made to make this a thing. I just think it's so charming to have hearts. I see circles, I see squares, I see general shapes, but not hearts, and I think it would be cute. Like, I'm just imagining a very, very cute shower floor with little hearts. So I was like, I need to make this happen in real life. Also, in the meantime of making these little mosaic tiles, I have been working on restocking my earrings for Amazon and also for my shop. One of the designs I'm finally going to drop is this hanging frog. This is a bit of a Cosmo and Wanda moment. This is a Cosmo and Wanda stan channel if you didn't already know. This is what's actually going to be listed. This is a test print from a long time ago. It looks like somebody skinned this frog. I'm not going to sell skinned frogs. In the description below, I'll put a link to purchase these green frog earrings on my website or on Amazon. Let's load the kiln now.
Hours later. Cuties.
Today is June 26th. It is approximately 5:35 p.m. I'm about to load up the kiln with the glazed mosaic tiles. I feel really awkward right now because my neighbor over there is outside and I don't want to talk loud enough that they can hear me. Doing social media content stuff is so awkward. I did 2 coats of red and 2 coats of black. This is going to be my first time using this red glaze. The black glaze I know can definitely be full coverage with the 2, so we're going to see how that works out. Let me show you how they're looking. Does this make me edgy? Grunge? Mine.
2 hours later.
Oh my goodness! I had no idea that the red was going to be matte. They came out good though.